Hi guys, it's Steph from Scent from Heaven. Today I am just going to be making a lotion really quickly, a body butter really quickly. I've already got my ingredients melted down. I have my cool down ingredients just up there in my jar. This is just going to be a body butter for my colleagues at work. We're all nurses, we get really dry hands, so this will be good for everyone to be able to just put a little bit of moisture back into their skin. So I'll make that up. I am planning on doing another soap soon. I am just waiting on some of my ingredients that haven't arrived yet. So I am hoping to be able to do that very, very soon. So I will pour my water into my mixture here and give that a blend. Okay. My oil phase had started to cool down a lot more than I had anticipated. So we're just doing a little mix here till it cools down just a little bit. I have been really wanting to make another soap, but some of the ingredients that I need are a little bit low stock in the places that I have been trying to get them, and I ordered a little powder duster and it hasn't arrived, and I ordered it a month ago. I was just wanting to do some marker lines or pencil lines in some soap, and things just have not been arriving, so I am hoping to do that soon. So this is starting to thicken up a bit more now. Give it that one last little burst in here. That's it. Okay, so we need to add our cool down ingredients, which is our fragrance oil and the preservative. So that's in this little jar here. So I'm just going to put a few dollops of my body butter mixture into there so I can incorporate it properly, and then it will all go back into my main batch. So today I am using cucumber and aloe just because I know that there is a few people in my unit that don't like really sweet smells. And this one, it's just clean and fresh, and it's just a really nice scent without being super sweet. So I think that it will do well and everyone will like it. Well, most people will like it at least, so that's all we can hope for. So I've incorporated my fragrance and my preservative. So we're just going to mix this up into here, into the main batch, and then I will be able to pour it all into the jar. It's still just a little liquidy, which is okay. The last batch I made that was quite fluidy. It actually set up really nicely after about maybe 3-4 days, mainly once it had properly cooled down, came to temperature, and it was really quite lovely. So I did like the consistency of that one. So I'm just gonna wait for this one until it gets to that same consistency. So, sorry, I keep pulling things out of the frame and I need to get on top of that because I've been doing it a lot. So I'm just going to get this mixture, pour it all into the jar. Need to try and, oh, there's my mess. Try and get all of this out of this container. There's still so much in the base here that I can't get to. Come on, get out. Alrighty. So that is my emulsified body butter that I have managed to make a complete mess out of. And that one's really still quite fluidy, but that will set up and that will be coming to work with me. And hopefully everyone likes it and can put it on their hands because we do get very, very dry hands. So this should be really nice. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you all next time. Please, if you haven't already, please like my videos, please comment, please do something to increase the activity on them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.